Welcome back to Narcissism Freedom. This message is for the one who endured in silence while everything around you tried to convince you that your pain didn't matter. The thumbnail says, "God exposed them." And those words carry a truth deeper than most people realize. Because exposure is not just about revealing another person's actions. It is about restoring your clarity, your dignity, and your peace after a long season of confusion. There was a time when the narcissist's mask looked real. They presented themselves as charming, convincing, and trustworthy. To others, they appeared kind, even admirable. They knew exactly how to perform the role that would earn them admiration and protection. But behind that carefully crafted image lived a different reality. A reality filled with manipulation, control, and emotional harm. They knew when to smile and when to wound. They knew when to comfort and when to withdraw. Their power was never in truth. Their power was always an illusion. You saw glimpses of that truth long before anyone else did. You felt it in subtle ways. The inconsistency, the emotional distance, the way your peace slowly began to disappear without explanation. You questioned yourself. You wondered if you were overreacting. You wondered if you were too sensitive. That is how manipulation works. It does not always shout. It whispers. It slowly disconnects you from your own instincts until you begin to doubt your own inner voice. But even in those moments of doubt, something deeper within you remained awake. Something within you knew that what you were experiencing was real. You may not have had the words for it at the time. You may not have had the proof others demanded. But your spirit recognized the truth long before your mind could fully understand it. The narcissist depended on your silence. They depended on your patience. They depended on your willingness to endure without exposing them. Silence gave them time. Silence gave them protection. Silence allowed their illusion to survive. They believed that as long as you did not speak, their mask would remain intact forever. But there is something they never accounted for. They never accounted for divine timing. God does not operate on human schedules. God sees what people hide. God sees the tears that fall when no one is watching. God sees the nights you lay awake trying to understand what happened to the person you thought you knew. God sees the emotional weight you carried in isolation. Nothing was invisible. Nothing was ignored. Everything was witnessed. And now what was hidden is being revealed. The breaking mask in the thumbnail represents the collapse of illusion. Masks do not break because of force alone. They break because truth has a natural power that cannot be suppressed forever. The narcissist may have believed they were in control. They may have believed they could manage every perception, manipulate every narrative, and silence every question. But truth is not something that can be permanently buried. It rises. It surfaces. It makes itself known in ways no one can stop. Exposure often happens quietly at first. People begin to notice inconsistencies. They begin to see patterns they once ignored. The same charm that once impressed them begins to feel artificial. The same words that once sounded convincing begin to feel empty. Slowly, the illusion weakens. Slowly, the truth becomes visible. This process does not require your interference. It does not require your defense. Your role was never to convince the world. Your role was to survive. Your role was to protect your spirit until the truth could stand on its own. The peaceful expression in the thumbnail represents the transformation that has taken place within you. You are no longer trying to force understanding. You are no longer chasing validation. You are no longer explaining yourself to people committed to misunderstanding you. You have stepped into a different state of awareness. A state where peace matters more than proving a point. That peace is your power. The narcissist expected you to remain broken. They expected you to remain emotionally dependent on their approval. They expected you to continue seeking closure from someone incapable of giving it. But healing changed everything. Healing shifted your focus. Healing restored your connection with yourself. And when you stopped reacting, their illusion began to weaken. Narcissists rely on emotional reactions to maintain control. They rely on chaos to keep you off balance. They rely on your pain to feel powerful. But when you step into calmness, when you step into clarity, when you stop participating in their emotional games, their influence begins to fade. They may not understand why they can no longer affect you the same way. They may sense the distance. They may sense the shift. But they cannot control what they cannot reach. God's exposure is not always loud. Sometimes it happens through separation. Sometimes it happens through distance. Sometimes it happens through the simple removal of their access to you. What once had power over you no longer does. What once defined your emotional reality no longer defines you. And in that space, truth becomes undeniable. You may never hear a confession. You may never receive an apology. You may never see them acknowledge what they did. But exposure does not require their admission. Exposure happens when you no longer carry the burden of their deception. Exposure happens when you see clearly. Exposure happens when your peace is no longer dependent on their behavior. This is not just their exposure. This is your restoration. You are reclaiming your identity. You are reclaiming your emotional freedom. You are reclaiming the parts of yourself that were suppressed in order to survive. You are no longer shrinking to accommodate someone else's illusion. You are no longer abandoning yourself to maintain someone else's comfort. You are standing in truth now. And truth changes everything. The light in the thumbnail symbolizes protection. It symbolizes clarity. It symbolizes the presence of something greater guiding you forward. You did not survive this experience by accident. Your endurance was not meaningless. Every moment of confusion, every moment of pain, every moment of doubt shaped the strength you carry now. You see differently now. You trust yourself differently now. You recognize patterns you once overlooked. You no longer ignore your intuition. You honor it. This is what freedom looks like. Freedom is not revenge. Freedom is not proving them wrong. Freedom is the absence of their control over your peace. Freedom is waking up without carrying their emotional weight. Freedom is knowing that their actions no longer define your worth. God exposed them not just to reveal their truth, but to remind you of yours. You were never weak. You were never naive. You were human. You loved. You trusted. You believed in the good you saw. And there is no shame in that. Your capacity to love was never your weakness. It was always your strength. Now, that strength belongs fully to you again. Their mask is breaking. Their illusion is fading. And your peace is rising in its place. If this message speaks to your spirit, welcome to Narcissism Freedom. This is a space where truth is honored and healing is possible. Like, share, and subscribe to support this message and help others find clarity and strength. Your light was never meant to be hidden. And now, nothing can cover it anymore.